Bonnie, happy Friday! I am back. I got one more video for you guys tonight. Check it out. I got PR in the mail today from ScentWorx Slatkin and Company. Oh my gosh, look at this box. This box is beautiful. I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. Scents to elevate your everyday. Blushing blossoms. I got the candle, the fragrance mist, and the body wash. I'm so excited to try the fragrance mist. So these are now at Walmart, and the candles are now at Slatkin and Company. I am an ambassador over there. So if you use the code Bonnie10, you do get 15% off. I did purchase the Pineapple Passion body wash and the Island Coconut body wash. I'm loving both of them. And I gotta say, Blushing Blossoms is absolutely delicious. So this one is pink currant blossoms, cherry blossom, peony petals, and spiced vanilla. Peony is like the scent of the year this year. Oh my gosh. Yeah. It's beautiful. It's springy. It's sweet. The touch of vanilla in there. I've been acquiring all of these, and I gotta say, I'm loving this entire collection at Walmart from Slatkin and Company. These ScentWorx candles are amazing. I gotta burn amber oud. All of these smell so good, and they're really strong. I actually I put s'mores on my warmer and I burned it. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. So pretty. So I'm loving this entire collection. It makes me really happy. I have not tried any of the fragrance mist yet, so this is exciting. The fragrance mist is pink jasmine, floral blossoms, pink currant, and black ruby plum. It's a little bit different from the candle. I can't wait to try this. You ready? Okay. Oh, this is nice. I do like the black ruby plum. Oh, it smells a little bit different than the candle. Oh, that does smell really, really good. Okay. Yeah, that's a win. I need to get these in all of the scents. Body wash. Body wash. Check it out. In the Blushing Blossoms. And then, like I said, I also picked up Pineapple Passion. I've shown these to you guys before. Pink pineapple, mango, coconut, and white rum. This formula is amazing. This one smells so good. It's so tropical. I'm just going to do a little, there we go. Right on my hand there. Look at this. It's like a pearlized formula, and it lathers so well. And it makes your skin feel really, really soft. I actually love these body washes. They're so nice for spring. They feel light and moisturizing. They do have, let's see here, infused with essential oil, aloe, and vitamin E. Then we have Island Coconut, which is coconut milk, jasmine, vanilla bean, and musk. I love this one too. I can't decide which one I like better. All of them smell amazing, and I'm really curious to see if we get more of these in different scents. Just putting it out there, we need a sugar cookie. We need a sugar cookie in the body care. That would be amazing. So anyway, thank you so much to Slatkin and Company for sending this. The cleanser is oil-free, and it has aloe and vitamin E in it also. And yeah, I'm loving this box. This is absolutely adorable. So anyway, can't wait to try out the Blushing Blossoms in the shower. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to light up some more of these ScentWorx candles. They're, so far they've been really strong. Like I said, I have so many favorites. I was ending my video and now I'm smelling candles. The bamboo leaves. Go to Walmart, smell bamboo leaves. Seriously. This one is amazing. I'm going to leave you guys with bamboo leaves. It's so good. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.